Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ridhanya'S. I'm doing sea animals activity.
Okay. Can you tell me what are these animals?
Yes.
Yes, first.
Jellyfish.
Okay, next.
Octopus.
Next.
This is a sea plant.
Okay, next.
This is also sea plant.
Okay, next.
Seashells.
Okay, this one.
Whale.
This one.
Seahorse. And dolphin. Starfish.
These animals. What is it?
Turtle and crab live on land also and water also.
Yes, the rest of them live on only water. Okay? Yes. Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. Take your sea color. Yes. Fold it. Yes. Dip it. Yes, dip it. Hold your page. Yes. Draw your second line. Yes. Very nice. Third line fast. Okay. Yes. Are you done with your water?
Yes.
Okay. Now make your land. Yes. Hold your page. Yes. Okay, I've held. Now start. Be careful about the curve, okay? Yes, make second line. Be fast. Yes. Wow. Now paste them.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. These one, turtle and the crab.
Yes.
They can live both on land and sea. So half. Okay, did you enjoy?
Yes.
Very nice. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.